channel. So in today's videos, I have my little helpers here with me today, and they are going to be helping me put up my grass wall in the salon area. So introduce yourself.
My name is YJ. My name is Sade.
No, you're crazy. The grass basically comes with grids on the back of them with these little pre-made hooks already in them. They have holes on this side. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they have holes on this side. And then on this side, they have the plugs to go inside of the holes. See them here. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is we're going to open this hole. We got 2 boxes. So the first box, we're gonna go ahead and put everything together, and then we're gonna go ahead and staple it to the wall. So stay tuned. Well, but basically all I'm using for this tutorial is a staple, some staples, a staple gun. I'm gonna be using some scissors to kind of cut around the crevice area. And that's it, you guys, that's really it. So I'm gonna link that information down in the description bar as well. So let's get started.
We still have a lot more.
Not a lot.
A little bit more. If y'all can see. Going perfect, guys. So this is what we use.
So we're finally done. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this part open right here because I do have a, this is a sub pump for the basement so that it doesn't like flood. So I'm gonna leave that back there because I'm gonna disguise it with a mirror, which I probably will end up buying a new mirror or maybe using the mirror out of my beauty room upstairs and bringing the other one down here. Yes, this took about, I think we started at 3, so
No.
this took about an hour and 45 minutes. We are done. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of the room yet. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in here right now with what I have in here. But I think that I'm gonna go with a different paint color. I think I'm gonna paint the walls white and then go with like gold accents and maybe like purple. I don't know yet, I'm still trying to figure it out. But I do have a sign that's coming. So once the sign comes, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the grass wall. Thank you guys so much for watching. My helpers, they really did help me out, y'all.
Bye. And peace out.
All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like when you walk into the salon. I have my dryer here. my wig stands. What I plan on doing is getting a TV for this area right here. I'm going to change these fixtures out for like gold fixtures, and then I'm going to get some what are they called, floating shelves to put my wig heads on. So whenever I make a wig or whatever and I want to display it, I'll just have it up there on the wall. As you guys can see, the grass wall is a success. It looks really, really good in here. I did say I may change this mirror out. I think I want a taller mirror, and either a taller mirror or a wider mirror, and I want it to be gold, like gold accents throughout. So this is my traveling bag, you guys. Oh my God, this thing is life. I'm gonna link it down below, because if you are a traveling stylist or in hair school like me, this bag is the bomb. Let me show y'all real quick. I know that's not what this video is about, but I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I'm gonna do it with one hand. Look at that, y'all. And then it turns into like a suitcase. Bam! Suitcase that you can take with you. I'm gonna link it down below, you guys. And then this is my station. It's a mess right now because, again, I haven't been down here working like that since coronavirus. But yeah, this is my station right now. I want to get a mirror to go right here. I may actually just move this mirror over here. I don't know if it's actually gonna fit, but I'm going for like the gold accents in here. This is my sewing machine where I make my wigs. This picture that I got made at what was it, a silent auction. I got that at a silent auction. And then this bookshelf right here, which I'm actually gonna go back and put retail stuff in here. So like whenever you come to get your hair done and you need some items to go on the way out, this is gonna be filled with that. So you guys, this is my salon area as of right now, 2020. I can't wait to see where this salon is gonna go. I can't wait to see like my vision come to life. You guys, if you have some recommendations, definitely drop them down below of like paint colors. I think I want to go white, cream, or something light, because I want it to feel like really airy in here, and I feel like the grass wall actually darkens it. But then again, it just may be the fact that I need to change my recessed lighting in here. So anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. See y'all in my next video. Bye.